Hey you guys, I pulled something out of the closet that I thought would be fun to share for Christmas. Sears 1953 Christmas book, Sears Roebuck and Company. This thing is loaded with finds that I just find amazing. Look at this. Look at these Spock pajamas. Aren't these cool? Can you imagine lounging around in those with your smoking jacket over there? Some of these ads are in color and some are in black and white. And they're the sweetest things. I'm going to try to go carefully through here so I don't tear anything. Mantle clocks. Remember when those were popular? Some people won't. Roll your own cigarettes. If cigarettes cost you more than 9 cents a package, read this. Roll your own cigarettes. And cigars too, apparently, in 1953. Going on. Try to go a little faster. Luxurious pajamas for women. Lounging sleeping styles. I missed a couple dog-eared ones. I'll have to come back to them. Slips. Of course, everybody wore slips and aprons back in the day. 1953. Sears says, order early. Uncle Sam says, mail early. Let me flip back here. Aren't these amazing? Maybe one of the coolest things will be on the back page, which I'll show you shortly. Look at the Viewmaster. We had one of those. Hours spent flipping through that thing, looking at pictures of the Grand Canyon or whatever was on the Viewmaster. I'm just going to flip to the back page. Fruitcake, 1953 Country Inn fruitcakes. There's probably a couple of those still floating around in Grandma's kitchen somewhere. Hope you enjoyed that little trip back in time. Sears Roebuck 1953 catalog. Order today. Merry Christmas.